Welcome to watch today's Fresham. The apartment, located in a classic building, measures 52 square meters, originally divided into 6 dilapidated rooms with flat ceilings. After its transformation by the architects Isabel Francois and Anna Enrich and Santa Living, it has become an open space with fluid circulation comprising a kitchen, a dining area, a living room, an office, a bedroom and a bathroom. The use of timeless materials such as cement, stainless steel, mirror and glass, cold, reflective and mineral elements, respond to a selection of objects in fabric, wood and ceramic. The elegant integration of the kitchen and the meticulous selection of furniture and works of art complete the connection between the history of the place and its present. With soft and cocooning all-over beige walls, Santa Living plays on the contrast with stainless steel or satin metal furniture pieces, while glass tops and furniture bring their transparency and the purity of their lines.